Okay, you. Okay, easy dance, 32 count, 4 wall. Easy, easy. You ready? Yes? Good, good, yes. Weights on your left. Cross samba with your right. So it's cross samba. Cross samba left, cross samba. Mambo forward right, mambo and back. Shuffle half over your left, left, right, left. Okay, face the front. Again. Cross samba. Ready? And cross samba, mambo, shuffle half. With the counts. With counts. Here we go. Ready? And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 1, 2 is rock forward, recover on your right, rock right, recover, and 3, 4 is bring your right in and step quarter turn with your left. Watch, watch, and step quarter. Yes? Rock forward on your right. So it's rock forward, recover, and step quarter. Yep, again. Rock forward right, ready, and rock right, recover, step left, quarter. Okay, up to there. Cross samba with your right. Ready, and cross samba, mambo right, shuffle half, rock right, and rock, recover, and step quarter turn. Again. It's okay. Cross samba. Ready, and cross samba. Again. Rubbish. Here we go. Ready, and cross samba, mambo right, shuffle half, rock right, recover, and step quarter turn. Are you okay at the back? So like this, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Try it. Try. Rock and step quarter. Rock, recover. So it's rock, recover, and step quarter. Cross shuffle with your left. Cross shuffle. Sway right, sway left. Sway, sway. From the top. Cross samba. Ready, and cross samba, mambo, shuffle half, rock right, recover, and step quarter turn, cross shuffle left, sway, sway. Do you want with the counts? Yes? Okay, ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Weights on your left. On 1, 2, cross your right over, push your bum. So you go cross, push. Weights on your left. It's okay. Okay, so cross, push. So it's cross, push. Lovely. Side, close, side. Side, close, side. Okay, up to there. Ready, and cross samba, mambo, shuffle half, rock right and right, recover and step quarter turn, cross shuffle left, sway, sway, cross, oh, side together, side. Yes? Cross rock quarter, Going to kick your right out forward. Watch a minute. So you do kick out. Okay? From here, the side, add it in, cross back. So it's cross, back, side together, side, cross rock, quarter, kick out. And again, cross back. So it's cross, back, side together, side, cross, rock, quarter, kick, out, out. From the top, nearly finished. Cross samba. Ready, and cross samba, cross samba. Mambo, right, shuffle, half, rock, left, right, right, recover, and step, quarter turn, cross, shuffle, left, sway, right, left, cross, push, side together, side, cross, rock, turn, kick, out, out. Yes? Good, good. This next bit, you're going to swivel in, heel, toe, heel, like this, heel, toe, heel, keeping the weight on your left. Okay, so you just did kick, kick, out, out, heel, toe, heel. Okay, try that. Do kick, out, out, heel, toe, heel. Kick, out, out, heel, toe, heel. Keep the weight on your left. Shuffle forward, right. Shuffle forward, right. Cross, rock, quarter. Cross, rock, quarter. Face the side. From the cross, rock side. Okay, so it's cross, rock, side. Kick, out, out, heel, toe, heel, shuffle, right, forward. And again. Good, good. Mambo turn, mambo quarter. So it's mambo quarter turn, kick, out, out, heel, toe, heel, shuffle, right. From the top. Yep. Ready, and cross samba, mambo, shuffle back, and rock, recover and step, quarter turn, cross, shuffle left and sway, sway, cross, push, side together, side, cross, rock, and a kick, out, out, heel, toe, heel, shuffle right. Okay, cross, rock, quarter, cross, rock, quarter, cross, rock, side rock, cross, rock, cross, rock, point, cross, rock, point. End of dance. Okay? Go from kick, out, out. Okay? Ready, and kick, out, out, heel, toe, heel, shuffle forward, right, cross, rock, turn, rock, and point. Yes? Good, good. From the beginning, do you want the counts? And then wall 2, the counts? Yep. Ready, and what? Sorry. Are you okay? Dearie me. Oh. Okay. Ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Perfect. Perfect. Wall 2. Yes, wall 2. Cross samba. Ready, and cross samba, cross samba. Mambo, shuffle half, rock right and right. Recover and step, quarter turn, cross, shuffle, sway, sway, sway. Cross, push, side together, side. Cross, rock, turn, kick, out, out. Heel, toe, heel, shuffle forward. Mambo, turn, and a rock, start again. And cross, samba, cross, samba. Mambo, shuffle half, and rock, rock right. Recover and step, quarter turn. Cross, shuffle, and sway, sway. Cross, push, side together, side. Cross, rock, turn, kick, out, out. Heel, toe, heel, shuffle right. Cross, rock, turn, and a rock and point. And cross, samba, cross, samba. Mambo, shuffle half, rock, and rock. Recover and step, quarter turn. Cross, shuffle, sway. Cross, push, side together, side. Cross, rock, turn, and a kick, out, out. Heel, toe, heel, shuffle. Cross, rock, turn, and a rock and point. Okay, end of wall 4. It's a tag. You're here, rock and point. You do click in front, down, in front, and down. So doing, yeah. End of wall 4, just like 1, 2, 3, 4. And start the dance again. Not got a clue. Yes, are you good? Yes? Okay, no intro. You just do... Okay. So let you hear first when you come in. Just, there's no intro, it's very quick in.